Okay, so we're in a temporary kitchen here now. This is not the real kitchen there, but we're doing a rebuild. So today, as a special treat, because yesterday was a full day, I'm going to do a bacon sandwich. That's a treat. Mind you, it helps when you turn the cooker on. See? Helps when you turn the cooker on. So I'll put this over here. I'll just take this out while I heat up. I thought that was on. But I was distracted. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is just a bacon sandwich, for God's sake. So, well, I do like a bacon sandwich. Not cooked the way the Americans cook it. They cook it to the point where, and their bacon is really fat. It's what you'd call in England smoked streaky bacon, but it's all fat, which is a bit of a bummer. And they like it really, really crispy. So if you go to a diner in the US and you ask for a breakfast, and they bring the bacon up, it arrives on the plate, and when you try to cut it, it's so crispy, it flies off the plate. It's like shrapnel. You know, everyone else around you is in danger of being hit by pieces of flying hard, crispy bacon. So I don't like that, because it's the fat that makes it taste nice, in my opinion. So it's got to be brown, but not crispy like they have it in the States. So that's, and then you have to have a bacon sandwich. And it's very complex. It's a complex situation making a bacon sandwich in the UK, because you not only have to choose how you want your bacon cooked, the type of bacon you have, but also the big question is, do you have brown sauce or red sauce on your sandwich? That's the big question. Now, I've known people get into discussions in the UK about this, whether it's better than brown or red. And brown sauce is nice. HP brown sauce is particularly nice. That company used to be in Birmingham, down Aston Way, and I think it's now in the Netherlands. But anyway, it's either Heinz, or you can have Daddy's sauce. That's another brown sauce. That's another nice one. But that's a bit sharp. But anyway, the big discussion is brown sauce or red sauce. I tend to have red sauce on this now, because I can't get brown sauce. You know, I can get Heinz, but I can't get brown sauce here, unless I pay an extortionate sum of money to get it shipped to the States. I think you have to have a mortgage, a second mortgage, if you want to have stuff shipped here. Turn that down a little bit. And then, this is the bread here. This has been made by the camera girl. This is the remnants of the loaf that she made. She makes all her own bread. This has to be dipped or fried in the fat from here, because that's what gives it the flavour, is fried bread. You've got to have the fried bread. Now, that's almost like a cholesterol sandwich, but I don't care. I don't care. At my age, it really doesn't matter. It's all about having a good sandwich. This is what we're going to do. So you turn it over regularly so you don't overburn it. See, I could be like an old, I've forgotten his name now, the guy I like, the chef I like, Gordon Ramsay. I could be like an aged Gordon Ramsay, because I like it. I think it's pretty good. Just keep turning it like that, so that, why am I using that? I always use these bloody things. It's much easier than a fork. Turn it over like that, just keep it going, so you don't brown it all too quickly. And then turn that down a bit so it moderates a little bit. Put a little bit of fat in, but a little bit of oil in, but mostly it's the juice from the bacon I like. Anyway, I'm not a very good cook, I must be honest, but I'll never go hungry, that's for sure. I can always cook something. But the camera girl, she's a good cook. My God. She can cook most stuff. And it actually, we don't go out very often because her cooking is so good. You go to some restaurants or places and you're better off staying in because it's better food in the house. And you know what you're eating anyway. So anyway, that's it. So for a couple of minutes, that's the remnants of what I had left over from a piece of bacon. But I normally have bacon bits here in Japan because they've got a lot of fat on and they taste nice. But this is all right. This is Let's get this done. You put the, it's like you're hovering on my shoulder like Long John Silver's parrot sitting on my shoulder right there. Right, now I'm going to bring that down a little bit. Look at that. Nice. Right. So I'm gonna, that's the one I'm gonna fry. So I'll put this on here. Look at that, it's pretty good, eh? I don't have this every day because sometimes you have jobs to do, and then you get this, goes in that way. So this you put in here, soak up all the fat. Good. This is a lot easier than digging up that sodding bamboo, that's for sure. And the result is much better. So now on there you need a little bit of the old salt. I don't know why you're doing this actually, it's only a bacon sandwich, you know. Anyone think it's something special? A little bit of salt. A little bit of the old pepper. Let's put that around that way, that's better. But you'll notice the fat is not crispy, it's not going to endanger anyone's life. I think I've used up a lot of the fat there, so it's not going to brown too much because there wasn't that much fat. So I could have put more fat in there. Normally I have more fat, but that's there's insufficient fat in there. Most of it came out with that. So anyway, now the final thing, like I say, I haven't got any brown sauce. Just have a little bit of the old red. Not a lot. That's because we haven't got a lot. That's it. Just a little bit of that. I have to put that on the shopping list. More tomato ketchup. And then that's about it. We'll put that there, I'll put that away. I've got enough for another sandwich there. Or if the camera girl wants to cut it up to do something tasty and some cooking. This is not really fried bread. There wasn't very much fat. I like it a bit more fried bready than that. there. Put that in there. And then finally, put some water and some soap, put that back on there, and then the tap doesn't. What are you doing? Right, that's it. Nothing else.